Tiffany Taylor, and I got some mini backpacks. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, subscribe and click the little bell right next to it, so you know when I have a new video. And make sure to follow me on Instagram. This is it right here. Now I can't wait to show you these, so let's get started. So first I'm going to start with these two little ones that have these two straps over here. And it also has a handle, a zipper right here to put your stuff in. They have these cute little ears on both of them. And I got these mini backpacks in two different colors, black and a light pink. Let's open this one. It's the Steve Madden backpack. Let's pour it out. Cardboard. Whoa! It comes with two of the things that go around. Other one. And more cardboard. So this is how it looks. It got a little sticky here because of the wrapping paper. It comes with two zippers in case you want to use this one and this one. And the zipper goes all the way over here in the back. It comes with two long straps. These are the tags. This one, you can wear it as a backpack or a purse. So I bet there's paper in here because we always put paper. Huh? Whoa, look inside. It has a little pocket in here. Usually all I just carry. And let's see what fits in here. I bet all of it because this is a pretty big backpack. The sanitizer in, and it's a spray. Here's the sunblock. Lotion. Sanitizer wipes stuff. Bring some clips in case we take pictures. And a mask always. Whoa, it looks good in there. And some glasses. iPad. Here's a phone. Now that fits. Whoa, you can feel all the stuff that's in here. We're gonna pack some lipstick for your lips and a scrunchie. No, that's all for this. Everything fit in here. It's kind of heavy. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And remember, follow me on Instagram because I'm on Instagram every day. See you later. Bye.